Should you write on Amazon Kindle Vella? What are the pros and cons of writing and publishing your work on Amazon Kindle Vella? We're gonna get right into it right now. Welcome and thank you for joining me. Today we're exploring Amazon Kindle Vella. I am writing right now on Kindle Vella and I wanted to share some pros and cons. It's been about a few months. I started writing on Amazon Kindle Vella in about November. I published my full-length first romance novelette called Candy, and I have something to say about this experience. So here goes nothing. First, we're going to talk a little bit about what Amazon Kindle Vella is. Amazon Kindle Vella is a platform created by Amazon. I believe it was in about 2020 for authors and writers like me, like you, to serialize their writing. And what does that mean? It is a platform that allows us to take a chapter and drop it once a week, twice a week. You set the schedule, and to have followers, right? People follow your writing so that they come back every week to read that chapter. Chapters on Amazon Kindle Vella are called episodes, so it is serialized writing. Think about it almost as a soap opera, Days of Our Lives. You go every week, or actually it's like every day. I'm aging myself because I don't even think Days of Our Lives is in existence anymore. General Hospital, perhaps. You go every day and you watch an episode. Let's say your Kindle Vella book is once a week every Wednesday, so your readers go every Wednesday to read your episode, which is a chapter. So what are the pros and cons? Should you do it? I'm telling you right now. The biggest pro is bonuses. Bonuses. Amazon pays, I believe, a flat rate of $25 a month if you use Amazon Kindle Vella and you actually publish your work there automatically. I have been doing this since November, and even on my not so great months, which means I haven't gotten many reads, I still get $25. Not bad. Compare that to your paperback sales, which sometimes don't sell anything at all, and you've put all that work to format and to do the cover and you get zero. The second pro is that it is serialized writing, which means you don't have to finish your book before you publish it on Amazon Kindle Vella. This is amazing for working moms or people who just have a hard time finishing books, people who have a hard time finding the time. You don't have to finish it and you can still make money. Third pro of Amazon Kindle Vella, no cover design. I don't know if you have ever published a paperback on Amazon, but that cover design process is arduous and agonizing. Unless you find the money to actually pay a cover design artist, then it's easy, but expensive. So with Amazon Kindle Vella, the cover literally is so simple. You can buy stock photo, you can find free stock photo as long as you have the license to be able to use it. And the cover for Amazon Kindle Vella is just a circle. That means that the cover doesn't have to be fancy, doesn't have a lot of details. Really, it's like the simplest thing. Of course, it is a cover, so you still have to pull people with it, with their eye. There's so many writers now on Amazon Kindle Vella, despite it being a newer platform. So make sure that when you do choose your cover, it still grabs the eye. Another pro, it is a new platform. Amazon Kindle Vella, I think, has only been around, as I said, since 2020. And it's been very slow to garner interest. So that's good for us writers. That's great for us, because if you get in now, you're at the start of something that's eventually going to blow up. I mean, it has the Amazon stamp, so it is going to blow up eventually, and it's going to be really hard to stand out down the line. So start now. And the last pro when it comes to writing on Amazon Kindle Vella is the Facebook Kindle Vella community. Let me tell you all, there are so many Facebook groups of writers, authors that are publishing their work, their novels, nonfiction, creative nonfiction, fiction, romance, whatever, fantasy, that are supporting each other. They read each other's work. They share each other's work, and it is a beautiful thing to see writers helping and supporting writers grow and make money. Now, on to the cons. The biggest complaint that people have, including myself, with Amazon Kindle Vella as an author, as a writer, is that it's really hard to find Vellas. Amazon is not doing a great job of making it super easy to even find Amazon Kindle Vella on Amazon.com. You know, usually there's a drop down on Amazon.com where you can find a category. There's books as a category, but Kindle Vella is not a category. So it is very difficult for people who you do not share the link with to find your Vella. Speaking of people, most people don't even know what Amazon Kindle Vella is. This does make it a lot more difficult to promote your Amazon Kindle Vella on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok, because it's just question mark. Like, what are you talking about? Do I need a Kindle? How do I read it? Where do I buy it? Tokens? What are tokens? It's just not something that's being promoted well by Amazon. So a lot of people have no idea how to access your Vella. And when you share the link, they look at you like you're a crazy person. Like, wait, I'm supposed to come back every week to read this? Where can I buy the book? It's not on paperback, baby. Just read it on Vella. And the last con, maybe the biggest, maybe this is the biggest con. It's really hard to know how we as authors, writers on Vella make money. What do I mean by this? So, Amazon is not transparent. The only thing that we know is that we get a percentage of tokens that people buy to unlock the episodes. Yes, people have to unlock your episodes, which means they have to purchase tokens in bulk. $1.99, I believe you get 250 or 220 tokens, and then you get a percentage of that depending on how many episodes the person who's reading your Vella unlocks. The first 3 chapters on Vella are always free for everyone, so make sure those 3 chapters are enticing so that people want to continue reading, and then they unlock the 4th episode, okay, which is again chapters. You also make money with crowns. So if readers unlock episodes, they get a crown a week, and then they decide what Vella gets that crown. It is not clear how much money you will get if you are crowned, but what crowns do is that you do get a boost in your income once a month. However, we don't know how much it is, and you also get to be highlighted, spotlighted on the Kindle Vella homepage. Now, the more crowns you get, the more the possibilities that you will get spotlighted. Also, likes and follows really help. Speaking of likes and follows, the more follows you get on your Vella story and the more likes your Vella stories get, your episodes get, then the more money you make. Again, it is not clear how Amazon decides how much money to give you per like, per follow, per crown. There's no black and white print. There's nothing on Amazon.com really sharing those numbers. So it's a mystery to all of us. That's it. Those are the Amazon Kindle Vella pros and cons. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and come back for my next video. I'm going to share my earnings report, my Amazon Kindle Vella earnings report. So you want to watch that so I can share really what's making me money and what's not. See you next time.